Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're doing something a little different.
Oh, yeah.
We're bringing you a special daily news edition,
All right.
focusing on the most important AI updates.
Sounds good.
I mean, you've been hearing a lot about AI in the news.
Yeah, it definitely seems like it's everywhere these days.
And we've got a whole stack of fresh articles here.
Oh, wow.
Capturing all the excitement, the concerns,
Yeah.
and the opportunities.
Yeah, some really big questions.
Get ready for some aha moments as we uncover.
Okay, I'm ready.
Elon Musk's growing influence on government AI strategy
That's a big one,
and the transparency concerns it's raising.
for sure.
We'll also discuss Google's U-turn on its AI ethics principles
Interesting.
and what that means for the future of AI in defense.
Okay,
Plus, we'll look at the wave of new AI tools hitting the market,
I'm seeing that everywhere.
from coding assistants to website monitoring agents,
Yeah.
and the financial pressures driving this innovation.
Yeah, well, it seems like there's so much activity across the board.
Yeah, it really does.
From government strategies to individual developers
Yeah.
creating their own AI tools.
Right.
It's a true ecosystem in hypergrowth.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
First up, Elon Musk's influence on government AI is
Yeah.
undeniable.
Yeah, seems like it.
Bloomberg AI reports former Tesla engineer Thomas Shedd,
Oh, wow.
now a director at the General Services Administration,
Okay.
is spearheading a major push to integrate AI across federal agencies.
So what are they hoping to achieve with that?
Well, the goals are ambitious.
Yeah.
They're aiming for automation coding assistance
Right.
and better coordination between departments.
Mm-hmm.
The details about which AI tools are being used and what safeguards are in place are scarce, though.
So, like, is there any information on what exactly they're doing?
Not a lot.
Okay.
The New York Times highlighted concerns about potential misuse and bias.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense.
If there isn't proper oversight,
Yeah, for sure.
that lack of clarity is raising eyebrows,
Mm-hmm.
especially given Musk's history with AI pronouncements.
Right. Like his track record?
Remember Google's stance against AI in weapon systems back in 2018?
Oh, yeah.
It seems they're making a U-turn.
Really?
What happened?
Well, Google updated its AI principles.
Okay.
And now they're framing AI as a way to protect democratic values in the face of global uncertainty.
Interesting.
The timing is interesting, though.
Oh, yeah. Why is that?
This comes after Alphabet missed earnings expectations,
Okay.
and their stock took a dip. It could be a play to tap into the lucrative defense market.
Oh, so maybe like a blend of do-goodery and hard-nosed business sense.
Possibly, yeah.
Wow.
This move also positions them to compete with Microsoft and Amazon,
Oh, right.
who've steadily expanded their AI presence in the defense sector.
Yeah, that's true.
It'll be interesting to see how this plays out.
Yeah, definitely.
And the AI market itself is exploding with new tools and applications.
Yeah, it seems like there's a new one every day.
We have articles about everything, from code assistants to AI-powered website monitoring agents.
It's crazy.
And this isn't just a Silicon Valley phenomenon either.
What do you mean?
France, a French investment bank,
Okay.
announced a $10 billion investment in their AI ecosystem
Wow.
by 2029.
That's a lot of money.
It's a strong signal that this isn't a fad.
Right.
Governments and investors are betting big on AI's future.
It's exciting and overwhelming.
Oh, yeah.
So much is happening so fast.
Yeah, it's hard to keep up.
Let's zoom in on the developer side.
All right.
There's a lot of chatter about AI coding tools.
Yeah, that's a hot topic.
Are they going to replace human programmers?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It really is.
The reality is more nuanced, though.
Okay, how so?
Some experts, like Sam Altman from OpenAI, predict AI agents will join the workforce as early as this year.
This year? Wow.
But it's more about augmentation than replacement.
Okay.
These tools can automate tedious tasks,
Right.
help with debugging, and even suggest code improvements,
That's pretty cool.
freeing up developers to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of their work.
So like having a superpowered coding buddy.
Exactly.
I like that.
There's a whole range of tools emerging.
Like what?
Some like VO Bolt and Lovable are
Yeah.
great for rapid prototyping and building MVPs.
Right.
They're like AI-powered Lego blocks for software.
That's a good analogy.
And then you have more sophisticated assistants integrated into IDEs
Oh, yeah.
that can help you write better, cleaner code.
That sounds really useful.
It is.
It's amazing how people are using these tools.
Oh, yeah. Tell me about it.
One developer on Reddit built an AI agent that automatically generates RayADME files
Oh, wow.
for code projects.
That's genius.
No more staring at a blank page trying to summarize what your code does.
I know, right?
the AI handles it.
That would save so much time.
And it's not just developers.
Oh, really?
You see everyday people using AI
Mm.
to streamline their work, boost their creativity,
Yeah,
and have fun.
I can see that.
There's a subculture on Reddit around AI agents
Mm.
where people build and share custom agents
That's cool.
for everything from managing subscriptions to creating meme-worthy t-shirts.
Oh, wow. People are getting really creative with it.
With all this focus on cloud-based AI,
Yeah.
some are asking,
What about it?
what about the power we have in our own devices?
Right there in our pocket.
Exactly.
That's a good question.
Yeah.
There's a growing sentiment,
Okay.
especially within the AI agent community,
Mhm.
that the future of AI should be more user-driven.
More user-driven.
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Well, we have powerful laptops and phones
Yeah.
capable of running complex AI models locally,
Right.
yet most services lock us into the cloud.
So you're saying we're overlooking the potential of decentralized,
Yeah.
personalized
Yeah,
AI.
exactly.
Could this be the next frontier?
It has the potential.
Like, what could that look like?
Imagine choosing the model,
Okay.
controlling your data, and customizing the AI to your needs
Right.
without reliance on big tech companies
Yeah.
and their data centers.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Okay, let's shift gears to large language models,
Okay. LLMs.
or LLMs.
Yeah.
OpenAI. The company behind ChatGPT
Hmm.
is reportedly close to a deal,
Really?
valuing them at $300 billion.
Wow, that's huge.
That's a staggering number,
It is.
showing investor confidence in OpenAI's technology.
For sure.
They're not just building chatbots.
Right.
They're creating general-purpose AI systems
Mhm.
with applications across industries.
Yeah, it's pretty remarkable.
They're not alone in pushing the boundaries of LLMs either.
Oh, really?
We have an article about DeepSeek R1,
Okay.
a new LLM generating buzz among
Ah.
researchers.
What's so special about it?
It's said to be exceptional at reasoning,
Reasoning.
which is a significant development for AI.
Oh, wow. How so?
But DeepSeek R1's aha moment during training is fascinating.
Okay, tell me more.
The model figured out it needed more time to think through certain problems
Mm.
and allocated more processing power accordingly.
So it like adjusted its own approach
Yeah, wow.
without human intervention.
That's incredible.
It's as if the AI is developing metacognition.
It really is. It
Yeah.
suggests a higher level of learning and adaptation than
Mhm.
we've seen before.
The developers released a streamlined version of their training process, too,
Oh, that's great.
requiring less computing power.
Okay.
This means more people can experiment with these advanced LLMs,
Right.
even without access to massive data center.
That's a game changer.
Could this democratize AI research?
Absolutely.
I think so.
It lowers the barrier to entry,
Okay.
allowing smaller teams and independent researchers to contribute.
Right.
This could lead to a surge in innovation
Mhm.
and unexpected breakthroughs.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's exciting.
We also saw an article about AI token costs
Oh, yeah.
becoming a major concern for businesses.
Even for companies like Bank of America,
Really? Wow.
the cost of using large language models can be substantial.
Right, because of all the processing power?
Each interaction with an LLM spends tokens,
Okay.
representing the computational resources used
Right.
as models become more powerful.
Yeah.
The token count adds up,
I can see that.
especially for enterprises handling high volumes of data.
So what can companies do about it?
Well, the article mentioned a company called Boundary,
Okay.
claiming to have a solution with schema-aligned parsing.
Interesting. What is that?
Their approach optimizes how the AI model outputs results.
Okay.
Traditional methods use unnecessary JSON formatting,
Right.
inflating token counts.
Got it.
Boundary's algorithm streamlines this,
Mm,
reducing token costs by 20–30%, according to their claims.
that's a big difference.
So it's not just about making models more efficient,
Right.
it's about optimizing the entire AI workflow.
Yeah, making the whole process smarter.
Exactly.
There's room for innovation at every stage of the AI pipeline,
Yeah, that's a good point.
from data preparation and model training
Right.
to how we interact with and interpret AI output. As
Mhm.
the field matures,
Yeah.
we'll see even more sophisticated tools and techniques
Okay.
addressing these challenges.
Let's turn to the rise of AI agents in various industries.
Okay.
It seems every day a new company launches an AI-powered solution.
I know, it's hard to keep up.
For everything from customer service to financial analysis,
Right.
you've been diving deep into real-world examples of how these AI agents are being used.
I have. It's fascinating.
What have you found?
The diversity of applications is fascinating.
Okay, give me some examples.
Companies like DevAI are raising millions
Okay.
to revolutionize enterprise IT
I.
with AI-powered network intelligence agents.
What do those do?
These agents monitor network traffic,
Yeah.
identify potential security threats,
Mm.
and proactively resolve issues.
So they're like little AI security guards.
Basically,
That sounds like a huge time saver for IT departments.
Well-
What other applications have you seen?
in finance, AI agents automate tasks like accounts payable, subscription management,
Mm-hmm.
and treasury management.
Wow, so they're really streamlining things.
Yeah, definitely.
Any fun applications?
Oh, yeah.
Tell me about it.
There are also whimsical applications,
Like what?
like AI agents that create mimetic t-shirts
No way.
or generate personalized roast jokes based on Reddit threads.
People are finding creative uses for these tools.
They really are.
It's as if AI is becoming a playground for innovation.
It is, and that's so exciting about it.
Yeah.
The most exciting aspect of this AI revolution
What is it?
is that it's not just about big tech companies and their
Yeah.
proprietary models.
Okay.
It's about empowering individuals and small teams
Mm-hmm.
to build and deploy their own AI solutions
I like that.
tailored to their needs and interests.
Yeah, it's cool.
A Reddit post caught our eye.
Oh, what was it?
A developer built an AI agent for website monitoring.
For website monitoring, what does that even mean?
Well, instead of just pinging a website to see if it's up,
Right.
this agent visits the website
Okay.
and interacts with it like a real user.
So it's like a virtual user.
Exactly.
That's clever.
It elevates website monitoring.
How's
Instead of just checking for uptime,
Okay.
AI can verify specific features
Oh,
are working,
Oh.
forms are submitting correctly,
Mm-hmm.
and third-party integrations are functioning.
That's much more thorough.
It is.
And the AI seems smart enough to adapt to changes on the website
Right.
without constant reprogramming.
That's the power of LLMs combined with web parsing techniques.
Okay.
These agents can learn a website's structure and behavior
Right.
and adjust accordingly.
If they learn as they go,
Yeah,
even if the layout or content changes.
exactly.
That's a powerful tool for businesses relying on a website
For sure.
to generate leads, process transactions, or provide information to customers.
Absolutely. It exemplifies how AI can automate tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance the customer experience.
We see similar AI agent applications for mobile apps.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
A Reddit thread discusses a developer building an AI agent for iPhones that can automatically schedule appointments using platforms like retrieval-augmented.
Wow. So it's like having a personal assistant in your phone.
Right.
That's practical.
It is.
Imagine an AI assistant handling appointment scheduling,
Right.
freeing up your time.
That'd be great.
As mobile AI agents become more sophisticated,
Yeah.
they'll take on more complex tasks,
Like what?
like managing our calendars, booking travel-making reservations.
Like having a personal butler in your pocket.
Exactly.
It's both exciting and daunting.
It is. We need to remember that as AI agents become more powerful and autonomous, we need to consider the ethical implications.
Right.
We need to ensure these systems are designed and deployed responsibly with safeguards to protect our privacy, security, and autonomy.
AI should empower us, not control us.
Exactly. It's up to all of us developers, researchers, policymakers, and users to shape AI's future to benefit humanity.
One recurring theme in these AI developments is the question of AI and jobs.
Yeah, it seems like every article we read mentions it in some way.
We've seen articles predicting AI agents entering the workforce this year, pronouncements from OpenAI Sam Altman, and plenty of developer discussions on Reddit.
It's definitely top of mind for a lot of people.
It seems like the conversation has shifted from robots taking our jobs to a more nuanced perspective.
Right. It's less about replacement and more about AI as a tool for augmentation.
Developers are building AI assistants that help them write better code, automate tasks, and even generate documentation.
It's about enhancing human capabilities, not replacing them entirely.
So maybe instead of fearing AI taking our jobs,
Right.
we should be asking how AI can help us advance in our careers.
Exactly. Those who embrace these tools will likely have a competitive edge in the future job market.
It's changing the game.
Entire industries are being transformed.
It's like, what if you see?
Companies like DevAI are raising millions to build AI-powered network intelligence agents for enterprise IT,
Right, we talked about that earlier.
promising significant time and cost savings for businesses.
The financial world is also embracing AI agents
Absolutely.
for tasks like accounts, payable subscription management, and treasury management.
No industry seems immune to the AI wave.
It really doesn't.
But amidst all this progress,
Yeah,
we need to address the environmental impact of AI development.
that's a good point.
The massive data centers powering these systems consume enormous amounts of energy and water,
It's a huge concern.
raising concerns about sustainability.
The Guardian article highlighted that tension
Yeah.
between AI's potential and its environmental footprint.
It's a real balancing act.
But researchers are working on solutions, right?
They are,
Like what?
energy-efficient AI models and exploring alternative computing paradigms like neuromorphic computing,
Neuromorphic computing?
which mimics the human brain's energy efficiency.
That's fascinating.
It's a promising area of research.
So it's not just about the technology itself.
Right.
It's about responsible development and deployment.
Exactly. We need to consider the data we use, potential biases, and the implications of increasingly powerful AI systems.
These are big questions.
They are, and this conversation needs to involve everyone from developers to policymakers.
The debate about AI and creativity is also interesting.
It is. A lot of people are talking about it.
Articles discuss AI generating music, writing poetry, and designing fashion,
It's really pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible.
raising questions about whether AI will replace human artists.
Some people believe it will, others disagree.
What do you think?
AI can mimic artistic styles and create impressive works, but some argue that true creativity requires a deeper understanding of human emotions, experiences, and cultural contexts.
So maybe AI should be seen as a tool for augmenting human creativity.
Exactly, not replacing it.
Instead of fearing AI, we should view it as a collaborator,
I like that.
a powerful tool for achieving more exploring possibilities and uncovering new creative avenues.
We're still in the early stages of the AI revolution.
It feels like it's moving so fast.
It is. The tools are rapidly evolving, applications are expanding, and societal implications are unfolding.
It's an exciting and sometimes daunting time.
It is, but the energy and enthusiasm of the AI community are inspiring.
Yeah, I agree.
The Reddit threads we've explored are filled with passionate discussions, creative solutions, and a desire to build a better future with AI.
It's amazing to see.
It's about the people behind the technology, developers, researchers, entrepreneurs, and everyday users who are experimenting, pushing boundaries, and shaping AI in unimaginable ways.
As you explore the world of AI, remember that you're not just an observer, but an active participant.
That's a great point.
Your choices, actions, and ideas contribute to shaping this technology's future.
Absolutely.
Stay curious, engaged, and let's build an AI-powered future that benefits everyone.
Amidst the hype and headlines, remember to ask the critical questions.
Like what?
Who benefits from this technology? What are the potential downsides? And how can we ensure AI is used for good, not just for profit or power?
Those are important things to keep in mind.
They are.
These questions will guide us as we navigate this new world.
Absolutely.
Until next time, keep exploring, questioning, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. This has been The Deep Dive.